Hi everyone and good afternoon. Thanks for joining me today. If you're watching on Facebook, then if I'm live, you will see a red button saying live in your left hand corner. If you're watching on catch up, then please still say hello so I know that you've popped in to view the video. If you're watching on YouTube, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. So today we have got some amazing Stampin' Up goodies. Some reduced items that really, if you haven't seen them, don't miss out. Hi Julie honey, how are you? Oh, I didn't mute my flipping phone, did I? I keep doing that. Let me just mute it because it's a pain otherwise for you and for me. Right, there you go. Okay, who else do we have here? Right, thank you for sharing, honey. Yes, if you share, you go into my appreciation jar. Right, I have got... Oh, my desk is tidy at last. I am very good. I've just got your parcel ready to go out, actually, with your kit for our 20 projects. How exciting. There's quite a few of you now taking part, so it will be really, 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 really good and a lot of fun. I have tidied up my craft room a little bit and it is looking, my desk is looking amazing. The rest of the craft room not, but my desk is looking much better. Do you want to have a little peek? Let me show you. Oops. Actually, let me just share you first. Share to the group. Cheryl's little stampers. And let's just share with a few of you. Right, so we've got Lynn, we've got Banda, we've got Pat, we've got Nikki, Ginny's on holiday, Karen, Jane, oops, where are we? Belinda, Carol, Angie, Moira, Karen, Paul, Linda, Tracy, Denise. Right, I think I've got most of you. Very excited. You're a vintage newbie. Well, we are going to have a lot of fun doing some gorgeous projects, and I will be doing some more every week because I just think that you guys have got a taste for it now. So, and I've also, let me show you quickly, found, oh, I forgot, I do need to have this on my desk, and we've also got the host code as well, which is a bit of a mess, I'm afraid, but we do need that as well. So let me... Hi Vanda honey. Right, let me just put that on there. Hi Angie. Right, that's the host code if you want to order. I've got all my price lists here, but I wanted to show you, I did find a bag of these are bits and pieces that I've saved. Like I said to you, do not throw anything away. We're going to be making some projects with these things. This is just a bag of loads of things that we're going to be making some projects with. That's my trash to treasure bag. Yes, so we will be doing that late sometime this week. Right, let's get on to the matter at hand. There are a lot of gorgeous sale items. Because obviously we're getting our new catalogue. Hi Cameron honey, we're getting our new catalogue, all our new products start from May the 4th. So those of you that have ordered with me in the past 6 months will automatically get a catalogue sent out, which I've been doing some of that this morning. But there are some really, really gorgeous sales on and some gorgeous products. So if you haven't seen them yet, let me show you some of them. So this is the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. If I can get into it. And this is £6.15. It was £10.25. But well worth having because these are great to make cards with. Especially now you're doing your vintage things. These are great. And we've got some cards to alter in our craft along pack as well. So these are the Flowers for Every Season, Memories and More card pack, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you Anne honey. Just really pretty just to either make cards with or pop in Happy Mail. and they are reduced, but just super lovely. And then you've got just so many gorgeous images and flowers on there. And then you've got some lovely big ones as well, which they're all double-sided. Just gorgeous. So, and there's also some stickers in here as well. Look at that one, isn't that just beautiful? So you can use them as they are or cut them up. So we still have these in stock. I did check on all of these items this morning just to make sure. Right, okay, the next one is, we've got this lovely stamp set called A Little Lace, and this is £12, was £20, and it's just gorgeous with this great big lovely spray of flowers. And it says, "You know too much, you'll always be my friend, you mean everything to me, so happy for you, just a little note to say hello." It's got this lovely decorative border as well, and these lovely little corners that you can use, a heart and flowers, just scrumptious. So this is a lovely set if you've not seen it. So it is £12, was 20, so £8 off if you're interested in that stamp set. We also have, oops, these are gorgeous. This is called Last a Lifetime and Lasting Elegance Dies. Now, the stamp set is absolutely gorgeous. It is, where are we? Last a Lifetime, £8.40. It was £21, so now £8.40. So just gorgeous. But wait till you see the dies that go with it. So you've got Sending All My Love, May the Memories of Today Last a Lifetime, Sending You Our Very Best Wishes to the New Mr. and Mrs. Congratulations, Hoping You Experience Love and Joy Today, Tomorrow and Always. And it's got this gorgeous spray and these hearts here. But the die set, oh my gosh, is gorgeous. Now the die set, £12.80, they were £32, so £20 off. £20 off. I mean, come on, that's just a bargain. But look, you don't have to have the stamp set to buy these dies. Look at these dies, OMG. So you've got this lovely decorative die here. Let me just try and pull it out. And it does this gorgeous edge with these lovely corners. So when you put that on a card, isn't that just gorgeous? £12.80 instead of 32. Then you've got this gorgeous floral, oops, corner. If I can, I'm going to try and get it out. Right, you've got this gorgeous floral spray corners, a large one and a small one. Then obviously these cut out. These and this. What is that one? Cuts out a word, I think. Oh, that might cut that one out, I think. Sending All My Love. And then you've got another one that cuts out words. Aren't they just super cute? So a real bargain to be had with this one. Love it. And can't wait to actually use it. So I snapped that one right up. Because even if you don't want the stamp set, but I don't know why, because it is gorgeous. The dies are amazing. So it's called Last a Lifetime and Lasting Elegance Dies. So a huge, huge discount, because you've got the stamp set is £8.40, was 21. So you're saving, what, 30, I don't even know how much that is. £13 on that. And then you're saving nearly £20 on the dies. So, just gorgeous. That's the edger for that large corner die, hon. Oh, I see. Right, okay. I'll figure it out. Sometimes I have to cut them out to figure them out. Right, so that's that one. And then I know Karen had this set. Where are we? Oh, here it is. Wait a minute. Now, this set here, By the Dock. So this is By the Dock stamp set, which is £12, was 20. And the dock side dies are £13.80, was 23, and I know Karen got this because she wanted the little frog one. But you've got this. I'll always look up to you no matter how much I've grown. Thank you for making a difference in my life. Here for you. And then you've got this lovely dockside image, just gorgeous. And then you've got the dies to go with it, which I just thought, oh my gosh, have to have them. So these are £20, nearly £20 cheaper again. So snap it up. Make more sense when I cut them. I know sometimes I have to actually get the dies out and use them to figure out how to use them. So these are the dies here. So you obviously can cut out the dock, the boat. You've got lovely grass. You've got a little tiny frog. And you've got oars and another one there. And then what does that cut out then? What's that one cut out, Karen? Oh, does it cut that out? Ah, it cuts that grass bit out. Isn't it just gorgeous? What a wonderful set. Something I wouldn't have ordinarily bought, but I had to have a flipping bargain. I really, really did. I had to have it. I had to have it. So I will be testing that one out. You can't go wrong, though, when they're reduced that much. Just lovely. Right, okay, then we have another gorgeous stamp set, Beauty Abounds. I have shown this one before, but this one is £8.40, was 21, and it's got the splatter, the bubbles, these gorgeous sentiments. Our friendship isn't one big thing, it's a million little things, and a friend is someone who chooses you out of a whole world of people for you. Hello, little butterflies, and this gorgeous sprig of flowers. £8.40. Another bargain. Another bargain. Don't miss out. Do not miss out. And then Butterfly Wishes. Another gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous stamp set. And this is £8.40. Was 21. And this is just lovely. Look at this. A sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Birthday wishes. Love to celebrate you. It was a perfect day because of you. And you've got these gorgeous butterfly images. And just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, why are there dies that went with that? I do not know. Let me just have a look. A look-see. What are these butterfly wishes? I do not know. Gosh, I cannot remember. So I hope you're all having a great day. Butterfly wishes. Page 16. Let's have a look in here. Coordinates with it coordinates with the butterfly duet punch. So you can cut those butterflies out with the butterfly duet punch, which is, I don't know where I've put it. Ah, right, it's right in front of my nose. So that coordinates with this punch here. So grab yourself a bargain. That is a really lovely stamp set. Right, okay. I hit that one. It came yesterday. Oh, bless you. Right, now this one is not, oh no, hang on. This one isn't reduced that much under my umbrella and the umbrella punch, but they are retiring, so I did want to get them. So they are £15.30, was 17, so £1.70 cheaper. The punch is not reduced, but they are retiring and I had to have them, because I just think they'll be a lot of fun, and I've seen some gorgeous, gorgeous cards made with this set. Says, no matter the weather, we're friends forever. Life's showers bring love's flowers. Rain or shine, you're always on my mind. Showered with love, it's your day. And then you've got these gorgeous welly boots, flowers, rain, and this umbrella, and you've got the umbrella builder punch with it. So I didn't want to let this one go. It is retiring, and so I had to have it. Yes, so another one there. And then this gorgeous set, this last one is called Strong and Beautiful, and it is £9.20, was £23, and look at all of these sentiments for £9.20. So you've got Happy Mother's Day, you're amazing, and that's a fact. You have what it takes to be unstoppable, and I couldn't be more proud. You are loved completely. God made you my mother, love made you my friend. You have truly been a shining example to me, to the woman who taught me what it means to be brave. You are like a diamond, resilient, strong and beautiful. Thank you for always being there for me. Keep reaching for your dreams. I will keep cheering you on. I cherish you, my true friend. I know I can always count on you. And to the woman who does it all with grace and wisdom. So this is jam-packed full of gorgeous, gorgeous sentiments for friends, for your mum, for your family. Excuse me, just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So again, I didn't want to miss out on this one. So £9.20 was £23. So if you are interested in any of these stamp sets and you want to order them, please go to www.chanel.stampinup.net. Can be found on my group, or it will be in the description if you're watching on YouTube. And please use the hostess code, because you do get a free gift from me. So on checkout, underneath where your total, you will see add hostess code, and you just add this UDZKUAHH in capitals and apply it to your order, and then I can see that and I will send you a free thank you gift for ordering from me. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions, please contact me and let me know. Oh my God, I wish I had more money. Oh, Angie, bless you. We all wish we had more money, honey. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I do have a new and exciting product that is, well, it's a new stamp set and punch from the new catalogue. This is called Elegantly Said, and I can't show you the catalogue, obviously. But this is a new one. Oh my gosh, I love this punch. And I have seen some examples done with this. And then you've got this gorgeous stamp set that says Elegantly Said. You've got this gorgeous corner flourish. This gorgeous flower, half a butterfly. Wishing you a wonderful birthday, happy anniversary. To all the things you do are simply amazing. Life has changed for you, but love and support never will. True love stories last forever. For you, thank you. And this gorgeous border here. And then we have this gorgeous, gorgeous punch. Isn't it really different and yummy? Cannot wait to use it. So this is one of the new products. I know I need to get my hands on more of the new products, but I have to wait for some of them as well, because I can't order everything at the moment. But isn't it gorgeous? Oh, they're both gorgeous. I know. Cannot wait to use this one. I've got a few new sets now, so I just wanted to get out a video on the reduced items, because obviously when they're gone, they're gone. And I think you've only got until the 4th of May to order those things, but I wouldn't leave it till the last minute because things are selling out. So anything you need any help with, just message me. I will be back at some point today or tomorrow for a craft along, and I might even get my bag of my trash bag, which I call it, and make something from my trash bag. How about that? That would be a lot of fun, wouldn't it? So have a lovely, lovely rest of your day. And I will see you all probably tomorrow now, because I've got a lot of running around to do. But I will see you all very soon. So take care. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.